Right, if you have an Audi TT Mark 3, this is a 2 litre TFSI and you've got low coolant, this is the coolant you need. Indication of low coolant is this gauge here. So my coolant's low, so I've just got to top it up. Ah, there's little Miss Rappy. Yes. I'm showing people how to top up their coolant. Bye, Mrs. Rappy. Something. Do you know how to top up your coolant? Now I normally get it just to the bottom of this rim here. That's how I normally put it in. Once you get it up to that point, that's it, job done. Never do it with a hot engine though, because when you open this it could spurt up. Sorted. Job done, Mrs. Rappy.